Check out the greenhouse. I got half the one on this side is passion fruit, and the one on this other side is chayote. So check it out. Looks pretty cool. So it's almost full. On all four sides of it. So look at here are the fruits. Lots of fruits on the passion fruits here, the vine. Look at that, a whole bunch of fruits. Like all over. I think so, and some of them are ready too. They're turning yet purple. You see, it's turning purple right now. And some of them even actually dropped. Oh wait, you see? It's like purple now. And some are actually dropping on the ground. So I just found another one here. I just dropped in there. There's so many fruits here. Look at that. And there was no protection in the winter either. So check out that. You see the chayote. I also see start to fruit as well. So last year I didn't get any fruit. This year, second year, I planted. Wow, look at the bees. The bees really love these chayote. Check out the bees. So look at the chayote start to form fruits. You see the fruit here? So I had the one in Hawaii, and it wasn't really good, and it left a really bad taste in my mouth, and I never like passion fruit. Smells so good, so strong. Look at that. Very sweet. Really sweet. Has a hint of mango flavor to it, and sweet, and then a little bit of a tartiness, like acidic at the end. Not strong acidic, it's just a little bit. It is more sweet than acidic. Strong flavor, mango flavor. Really good, delicious. Hint of mango and a little bit of a melon. It's really good. I can eat a lot of these. Look at this. A little bit of hint of guava too. Guava, mango, melon. This one is really sweet. There's no acidic to it at all on this one. juicy. So delicious. Can eat like 20 of these.